Door hinges play a crucial role in the overall functionality and security of your doors. Over time, these essential components may wear out, leading to various issues such as squeaking, misalignment, or even complete failure. Recognizing when it's time to replace your door hinges is vital to ensure smooth operation, enhance security, and prevent potential damage. In this video, we will discuss the signs indicating when your door hinges need replacement and offer valuable tips for ensuring proper maintenance and longevity. One of the initial signs suggesting that your door hinges need replacement is when they become squeaky or produce unusual noises during operation. Squeaky hinges are typically caused by a lack of lubrication, rust, or worn-out components. Regularly applying a lubricant, such as silicone spray or WD-40, can alleviate minor noise issues. However, if the squeaking persists or becomes increasingly louder, it indicates a more significant underlying problem that may require hinge replacement. Furthermore, inspect the condition of your door hinges for any visible signs of wear and tear, such as rust, corrosion, or damage. Rust and corrosion can weaken the hinges, affecting their ability to support the weight of the door or causing them to seize. Additionally, bent or damaged hinges can lead to misalignment and improper door closure. If you notice any of these issues, it is crucial to consider replacing the hinges promptly to prevent further damage and ensure proper door function. Also, an improperly aligned door is a nuisance that compromises both security and energy efficiency. Misalignment can be attributed to worn-out hinges, loose screws, or sagging doors. If your door no longer closes flush with the frame, creates gaps, or requires excessive force to latch properly, it suggests that the hinges are no longer functioning correctly. In such cases, replacing the hinges should be a priority to restore the door's proper alignment and security. Strong, well-maintained hinges are crucial for adequate door support. Over time, hinges can become loose or develop weakened structural integrity. If you notice that your door feels loose or wobbles when opened or closed, it indicates the hinges are no longer providing sufficient support. In some cases, this may even lead to the door falling off its frame, posing a significant safety risk. Replacing the hinges promptly will help maintain the door's stability, security, and prevent potential accidents. Moreover, performing regular maintenance on your door hinges is essential to ensure their optimal performance and prolong their lifespan. Unlike most household components, hinges often receive less attention until problems arise. Regularly inspecting your hinges for signs of wear, lubricating them, and tightening any loose screws can prevent minor issues from turning into major problems. Additionally, implementing preventative maintenance measures like avoiding excessive force when opening or closing the door can significantly contribute to the longevity of your hinges. Door hinges play a significant role in the proper functioning and security of your doors. Identifying when your hinges require replacement is crucial to maintain the optimal performance of your doors and enhance the security of your premises. Prolonged usage, wear and tear, misalignment, and inadequate support are some of the indicators suggesting the need for hinge replacement. By promptly addressing hinge issues and implementing regular maintenance practices, you can enjoy smooth door operation, improve security, and avoid potential accidents. Remember, maintaining your door hinges is a small investment that can save you from major repair costs and ensure peace of mind throughout the lifespan of your doors. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.